Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we will learn how to refuse help politely. Being able to say no to offers of assistance is an important skill in English. You will learn common phrases and expressions to decline help in a friendly and respectful way. This skill is useful in many situations, from shopping to work environments. Here are 4 basic phrases you can use to refuse help. The first is no, thank you. This is simple and direct. The second is I'm fine, thanks. This has a reassuring tone that shows you are managing well. The third phrase is I've got it, thanks. This sounds confident and capable. The fourth phrase is that's kind, but no thanks. This one shows appreciation for the offer while politely declining. Use these phrases when someone offers to help you. Let's look at 3 common situations where you might need to refuse help. The first situation is at a shop. A shop assistant might ask if they can help you find something. The second situation is when carrying items. Someone might offer to help you carry bags or packages. The third situation is with doors. Someone might want to hold the door open for you. In all these situations, you can use the phrases we just learned. Listen to this example dialogue at a store. The shop assistant greets you and asks if they can help you find anything today. You respond by saying, "No, thank you, I'm just browsing." This tells them you want to look around by yourself. The shop assistant then says, "No problem, let me know if you need anything." This shows a polite refusal while maintaining a friendly tone with the person offering help. Here is another example dialogue about carrying bags. Your colleague notices you have heavy bags and asks if you need a hand. You respond with I'm fine, thanks, I've got it. This shows confidence in your ability to manage. Your colleague then says, "Okay, just let me know if you change your mind." This second dialogue demonstrates a confident refusal while keeping the conversation friendly and open. Now let's explore more polite ways to refuse help. In formal situations, you can say, "That's very kind of you, but I can manage." For casual conversations, try "I'm good, but thanks anyway." When you want to show appreciation, say, "I appreciate the offer, but I'm okay." And for a friendly approach, you can use your "sweet, but I'm all set." These variations help you adjust your tone to different situations and relationships. Here are 3 important tips for refusing help politely. First, smile and be friendly. Your tone of voice matters just as much as the words you use. A smile and warm tone make your refusal feel kind, not rude. Second, show appreciation. Always thank the person for offering before you decline. This acknowledges their kindness and generosity. Third, keep it brief. You don't need to give long explanations or make excuses. A simple thank you followed by your refusal is enough. To summarize, saying no politely is an important English skill. Remember to use phrases like no, thank you, I'm fine, thanks, or that's kind, but no thanks. Practice these phrases with confidence and a friendly smile. Always show appreciation for the offer, keep your response brief, and maintain a warm, friendly tone. Remember, saying no is not rude. You're simply being honest and independent. With practice, refusing help will become natural and comfortable for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.